Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I did this beautiful eye makeup using only my fingers without any eyeshadow brushes. Just look at how neat and gorgeous it is. Don't miss this eyeshadow technique as it's quick to do for parties and perfect for beginners who get confused when choosing eyeshadow brushes. So keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, you need two eyeshadow colors, a matte shade and a shimmery one. I chose a black shade and a golden glitter. During the application process, make sure to have tape at the outer corner of your eyelid. First, I use the golden glitter eyeshadow and carefully apply to the beginning of my eyelid with my finger, extending it to the middle of my eyelid. Just use your finger as an eyeshadow brush. Blend the eyeshadow well to ensure it spreads nicely. If you see any patchiness, don't worry, just make sure the eyeshadow has properly covered the beginning of your eyelid. Next, I use the black eyeshadow. Just like the previous step, I apply the eyeshadow well to the outer corner of my eyelid. As you know, blending black eyeshadow can be challenging, but that's not the case for this eye makeup. Apply the black eyeshadow as far as you can to the outer corner to achieve a beautiful, rich black color. Make sure to take your time at this stage and ensure that the eyeshadow covers your entire eyelid. For this technique, you can use any eyeshadow color you like, including brown shades and glitter, which can make this makeup look absolutely beautiful. And again, if you notice any patchiness in the eyeshadow, don't stress out, just follow along step by step with me to achieve this eye makeup look. I noticed that I lost some of the glitter eyeshadow in the middle of my eyelid, so I'm going to add a bit more eyeshadow there. Now it's time to fix the harsh lines. For this, I use a cotton swab and a makeup remover solution. I start from the beginning of the eyelid and carefully follow the natural shape of my eyelid, working my way to the tape to fix any harsh lines. I'm using a gentle makeup remover solution designed for a sensitive skin, which may take a bit longer to remove the eyeshadow, but it definitely works. Just look how easy and simple it was to create an eyeshadow look without any makeup tools. Make sure to give it a try. To make our makeup look cleaner, I apply concealer under my eyebrows, again with a cotton swab, and blend it well. I think there are no excuses left for applying eyeshadow. It really doesn't get any easier or simpler than this. Well, it's time to remove the tape. Just look at how beautiful and clean the result is. If you notice any eyeshadow fallout around your eyes, you can fix it with a cotton swab and some concealer. Now it's time to work on the lower lash line. Again, I'm not using any brushes. I want this area to have a soft, not too heavy shadow. I create a soft smoky effect using a cotton swab, starting from the outer corner and extend it to the middle. I apply a bit of glitter to the inner part as well. To finish the eye makeup, you can apply mascara or false lashes. Our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching this tutorial video until the end. If you found it helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave your comments down below, or feel free to share it with your friends. Also, if you're interested in makeup and various techniques, I post tutorial videos every week, so subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss my future videos. I truly appreciate your support. Love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.